Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can enable edge lights, how we can disable them, and how we can customize them on Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. To do so, we need to go to the settings. In the settings, you want to go to display, and then over here, open edge lights. There we go. Over here we can simply enable and disable those edge lights. However, we can also tap on this gear icon in order to customize our edge lights. So over here, at first, at the top, we can switch between incoming call, alarm, and notification. So we can set up different, for instance, color for, we actually cannot really separate, but we can see the preview how it looks like. So we can change the color, we can enable and disable lights for incoming calls, alarms, and app notifications. So if you don't want to see for something, in some cases, then of course you can disable it over here. We also have lights behavior, so we can show at full brightness when the screen is facing down, only show when the screen is facing down, so that if the screen is facing up, you will see no edge lights. And we can also turn off for a scheduled period, so that by selecting the start and end time, the edge lights will not work during that period of time. And also we can tap on these three dots in order to find privacy policy and open source licenses, which is probably not so interesting. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!